Time for Puffles and Hugsley's Sound of the Day. Woof!
Hi everyone, and welcome to Puffles and Hugsley's Sound of the Day. We're going to do something a bit different today. We're going to look at... what on earth does that say? Mnemonics. Mnemonics! What does this mean, Mrs. Boucher? This is a very confusing word.
It is a very confusing word, Puffles. It's mnemonics.
Well, there's an M there.
Yeah, it's a very silly spelled word, ironically, used to help us make other spellings easier.
Oh.
Well, that seems silly. Let's see what mnemonics are all about then.
Ah, they're little rhymes that help us remember how to spell things, like because. Big elephants can always understand smaller elephants. Well, that makes sense. I have an elephant friend called Trumpet, and he always understands the baby elephants. Big elephants can always understand smaller elephants. Can you say that? Well done. That will help you when you need to spell because, which is a very useful conjunction to use in your sentences. People. Now, Mrs. Boucher always has to say people in her head before writing the word people.
It's true, it helps me remember.
But you can use this mnemonic. People eat omelets. People like eggs. Omelets. Can you have a jelly bean omelet?
Not really, Puffles.
Maybe you can't, but I can. People eat omelettes. People like eggs. Your go. Well done. Thumbs up. Let's see what's next. Said. A commonly used word that lots of people spell s-e-d, but actually it's spelled s-a-i-d. How silly is that? There's lots of rhymes to help you remember. You could do snakes and insects dance, or small ants in danger, or you could make up your own.
My old head teacher used to use Sally Ann is dreaming.
Yeah, so whatever helps you remember that it's not S-E-D, it's S-A-I-D, said. As in Puffle said, well done everyone, you great at spelling. Yes, Mrs. E at school always uses this one to help children remember when you're spelling could, would, and should, or couldn't, wouldn't, and shouldn't. You can use this, O, U, lucky duck, to help you remember that it's O-U-L-D, which, when Puffles looks at it, looks like old, which is a noise I make when I fall down, but no, it's how you spell it. How funny. I like this duck because he's green. That's a good colour. Oh, a grumpy hippo. Oh no, you don't want to be on the wrong side of a grumpy hippo, trust me. Oh, you grumpy hippo. That helps you to spell enough, tough, and rough, and other words with that ending. He says, I've had enough. It's been tough, and I'm feeling rough. Oh, that's why he's so grumpy. But it does help you remember O-U-G-H. Oh, you grumpy hippo. Maybe he just needs a hippo hug. Friend. Oh, Puffles has loads of friends. He's really missing his friends from school right now. Hey, you guys, super miss you. Love you loads. A really good friend stays right until the end. This is another one where Mrs. Boucher says fry end before she writes it down to remember the I. Yeah, And then end on the end. That's easy to remember. Wow, swings. Fools love the swings. Fools can't wait till he can go to the park again. Believe. Hey, it's Pinocchio. Pinocchio always told lies, and when he told a lie, his nose grew. Fools hope that doesn't happen to him. His nose is already quite big. Never believe a lie. So in believe is the word lie. How ironic. Laugh. Fools likes to laugh. Laugh and you get happy. Well, that's true. I like that one very much. And next. This is the last one. Now, this one only makes sense if you've seen 90s classic Matilda, one of Mrs. Boucher's favourite books and movies by Roald Dahl. There's a little song in it that goes like this. Mrs. D, Mrs. I, Mrs. F, F, I, Mrs. C, Mrs. U, Mrs. L, T, Y. And that's how you remember how to spell a difficulty. Let's see if I can find you a clip.
Mrs. D, Mrs. I, Mrs. F, F, I, Mrs. C, Mrs. U, Mrs. L, T, Y.
See? There you go. I hope these mnemonics helped you today. Mrs. Boucher is going to put the pictures on the Facebook page so that you can look at them and practice your spellings at home. Well done, everyone. You did so great today. Puffles is proud of you. See you soon for...
And that was Puffles and Hugsley's sound of the day. Woof!